Oh, and we have a hot start here. Bear Country just going to town on Francis Kip Stevens and CPA. I don't think this event is going to last long. I'm sorry, this match is going to last very long.
I could agree with you more on that.
Oh, thanks for joining us, Ryan.
You're welcome. Whoa!
A little bit of teamwork here by the abominable CPA and Kip, and a double boot by the Breakfast Club. And a drop kick to the knee just stuns Bear Bronson. And
whoa. Almost
I think he should shove it right into the crowd.
That'll be interesting.
Right in, and there's a double team going on. What's going to happen next?
Oh!
A big boot from Bear Beef. And a big lariat right from Bronson.
Jeez.
Have you been impressed with the transformation of Beefcake?
Oh, absolutely. I have.
Everyone's favorite.
Wait, hold on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Oh. Oh, jeez.
Once everyone's favorite comedian, he is now a savage.
But to answer your question, yes, I am very impressed with the transformation of Beefcake.
We haven't seen him back in WrestlePro for a while.
No, not at all.
Amazing to see his transformation.
Whoa. Hey. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy, Sean. Take it easy.
Sorry, I forgot. I'm on commentary.
Yes, you're on commentary, yes.
I forgot. I am not contracted to perform tonight.
Nope.
Keep my cool.
Plus, if you gotta hold him, I don't think we have enough insurance for that shit. I don't think we have enough insurance for the amount of misery that you would give to them.
Oh, you have no idea.
Oh, I can imagine. Anyway,
back to the match at hand here.
Yep.
Francis Kip Stevens is really getting rocked hard by Bear Bronson right now.
Oh!
And another attack
to CPA.
CPA right on the ground and his tie. And the referee trying to restrain CPA back. While Kip Stevens, I don't think they got all of what they were looking for out of that distraction.
I don't think so either.
Crowd seemingly behind the Breakfast Club, which
yep.
I don't know why.
Oh, because they're a very popular tag team.
What Breakfast Club are they a part of? Is it the Scrambled Eggs Club? Is it the Breakfast Sausage, the Grits Club?
That I have no idea. Steak and eggs, maybe. I don't know.
That's a good one.
That is good.
We need to find out. These are the burning questions that a professional like yourself should be coming to the table with.
Well, I mean, they should be telling you since you are, the brains.
See, it's kind of hard because I'm locked up on the 5th floor Monday through Friday, so it's hard for me to reach out. I'm not given a phone. I'm not left with anything.
True.
Actually, I am left with a phone. That's how I handle my social media, but that's all I'm allowed.
Well, they can contact you easily through that as Bear tries to go to the cover. Oh.
But see, I'm restricted from receiving calls, texts. I can just surf the internet
Gotcha.
and get more miserable.
Oh, gotcha. Understandable.
A tight shin lock being applied by Bear Bronson right now.
As Beefcake is taunting the crowd again. As the crowd is once again going behind the Breakfast Club.
And a chin buster just stuns Bear Bronson, but here comes Beef.
Hello. Wow. CPA with the counter. As Beefcake goes over the top rope. Kip trying to fight back on Bronson.
And seemingly trying to just almost there. And a DDT.
Oh.
almost there. He's almost there.
And
And he pulls CPA on the apron. Oh.
Beefcake pulls CPA off.
That was definitely a page out of the Heavenly Bodies.
Yes, it was.
They've been studying. Very smart by Bear Beef. And into a spinning sidewalk slam from Bronson. And a kick out.
Another kick out.
This crowd is restless right now. And the chant of "you kicked out" by the crowd is seemingly starting to infuriate Bear Beefcake.
Gotcha. You got it. Crowd very vicious with the referee saying that he can't count.
And Bear Beefcake missing the moonsault. A little bit of a throwback to Bear Beefcake. Ryan Peterson now writing down where he parked his car because he can't remember.
It was tough finding parking. It was very tough.
Yeah, Union's not a great place to park.
Yep.
And here comes CPA on that hot tag.
Double drop
and
tag.
the flannel's coming off. One for Beef. One for Bronson.
One for Beef. One for Bronson.
Hey, that's my line.
Oh, sorry. One for Beef. And one for Bronson.
Very good. I'm glad you can count.
Yes.
And a miscue on the part of Bear Country. CPA looking to go for a German. I think it was a bad move. And Bronson taking out his own partner by accident. Oh my. And the slam heard around the world.
And for the cover.
And a kick out.
Another kick out. Wow. Now it's weird. I've always been a fan of both teams, and I'm just highly impressed right now of both Bear Country and the Breakfast Club right now in this matchup. And CPA going for the build-up against Bronson. Another hit, another fist to Bronson. Meanwhile, Beefcake tagged in, but he didn't know. And, oh, my God.
And, a rolling type of senton maneuver. Looks like this could be the elevator ride. And Beefcake. There's nowhere to go but down from here.
Good thing he didn't hit it.
A cutter out of nowhere.
Vicious
and a knee.
To...
Right from
another
stunner. With the strength.
Wow.
Wow, I don't know if he got all that.
I don't know either.
One, two, and a
wow, my
what
God.
A breakup.
Bronson just picked up Kip Stevens and pretty much body slammed him onto CPA while he's trying to go for the cover. I can agree with the crowd. This is awesome.
And the crowd appreciating what is going on right now.
And a fan is mentioning the suspenders on Kip Stevens. So I guess she's a fan of those too.
Hey, suspenders can be pretty hip.
Yeah, they are. They could be.
Just not on Kip.
Nah, I mean, yeah, it could be a Kip. I like it a Kip.
Don't be a brown noser.
I'm not being a brown noser. I'm being honest.
And a block. And a code breaker.
Into
another stunner. Wow, and a released Northern Lights. Here comes Bear Beef. He is upset, to say the least. Only catches one.
And CPA looking to finish off Beefcake here. Oh, no.
Beefcake pulls it right back in. Oh, they collide heads. And a duck. And a second duck. And a third duck.
Ooh.
What in the world was that?
I do not know.
Whatever it was effective.
Oh my God, the strength on Beefcake.
I have felt this before. His strength is unbelievable.
Oh my God.
And I don't just mean unbelievable, I mean unbelievable.
Cute, very cute. Beefcake tags in Bronson. And now looking like to finish him off.
Yeah, there is nowhere to go but down from here. I think they've got this match in the bag.
I think so. And
good night.
For the cover, and that's it.
Bear Country with the win.
Here is your winner, Bear Country.